Where days after the Supreme Court order on Reliance versus RNRL case, the government is doing its bit to help younger brother Anil Ambani to get his act together on the company's power plans.
Well, absolutely. And the government is considering some changes in the Power Ministry's fuel policy, which will come as a big boost to the ADA Group's power plans and also significantly help other players in the sector. Suchetna Ray is here with those exclusive details. Suchetna, there have been talks of tweaking the gas allocation policy. What is expected?
What we're picking up is that the biggest change will be that the gas allocation will now be for 15 years against the 5 years that the gas allocation policy provided for. Now, the biggest impact this will have is on Reliance Power, because they have various proposed gas-based projects amounting to over 10,000 megawatt. And now, with 15 years of gas allocation, uninterrupted gas allocation, it will mean that Reliance Power will find it easy to get their projects financed. Other beneficiaries will of course be NTPC and other state utilities which are also planning gas-based projects. Now, apart from this, what we're picking up is that the other changes, there are two other changes that are being proposed in that fuel policy. One being that from now on, fuel price will be quoted in dollar terms. Big impact on consumers, because fuel price is actually a pass-through to consumers, and now it will factor in the foreign exchange volatility if it is quoted in dollar terms. Another change being that, keeping with this 15 years of gas allocation, power supply contracts will also now be signed for 15 years instead of the previous 25 years.
Okay, I have got more questions for you. Are there any other changes that might be looked at this moment?
Well, what we're picking up is that these are the changes that the Power Ministry is mulling on the gas allocation policy, keeping in mind the new project. So these are the three that we're picking up. For some time now, we were hearing that they were thinking of extending that 5-year term to a longer term, but 15 years definitely being the biggest change that is being proposed as of now. Apart from that, also we were hearing that projects which are thinking of extension, new projects which were thinking of extension to the existing megawatts that they will add, will also get a priority for allocation. But that is of course the priority that again the Power Ministry is working on. So as of now, for gas allocation policy, these are the changes that are being proposed by the Power Ministry.